Michael Fitzpatrick, and I'll be showing you how to tie a pre-tied bow tie. Pre-tied bow ties are very easy to assemble, very quick and on the go, especially with a nice suit or a nice shirt and tie. Now I'll show you a few easy steps on how to accomplish this look. The first step in applying a pre-tied bow tie is first you have to size the neck. So we'll come around and size it exactly to his length. Then we'll find that size and we'll adjust by pulling the lever here and slide down the other hook. Second step, pull up the collar. Third step, apply the bow tie. You want to make sure that it's a tight fit. Don't want it to be loose. Definitely want it to fit nice and cozy. And if you have to tighten it up yourself a little bit after you put it on, that's okay. Looks like we got it pretty tight there. Then your third step is going to be to flip your collar down. And you want to make sure that it's even all the way around. Don't want to ruffle up on those ends. And there you have a properly assembled pre-tied bow tie.